Welcome back, my dear students, to another revision video. Today, we are going to master the computer networks chapter in just a few minutes. Exams are just around the corner, so don't you worry, we're going to make this super easy. Chalo, let's get started.
So let's start with a simple question to understand why this chapter is so important for our daily lives. You send a WhatsApp message or maybe an Instagram reel, and boom, it's on your friend's phone in seconds, even if they're in a whole other city. Ever wondered how that magic happens? All this magic happens because of something called a computer network. Now, the name might sound a bit technical, but trust me, the idea is really simple. So let's quickly understand what it is. It's just like a network of friends or a network of roads, Beta. It connects things so they can share information. A computer network just connects two or more computers or, devices like your phone and your laptop so they can share stuff. Simple, isn't it? And this picture illustrates the idea brilliantly. See, all these devices, the phone, the laptops, the printer, they can all talk to each other now. They can share things just like one big happy family. That's the whole point of a network. Okay, now for your exams, the most important thing is to know the different types of networks. This comes up all the time. So let's go on a little journey, starting from the smallest network and going all the way to the biggest. The very first type of network is the one that's all around you, right there in your personal space. Think of it like your own little tech bubble. This is called a personal area network, or PAN. Now, the crucial point to remember for your exam is the short range, only about 10 meters. This is for connecting all your own gadgets. It's your own little tech world. You all use Bluetooth speakers and headphones, right? Well, that connection between your phone and your headphones is a perfect example of a personal area network. See, you're using it every day. Okay, so let's zoom out a little from our personal bubble to a slightly bigger area, something like your house or your school. This next one is called a local area network, or LAN, and this is the network you probably use every single day to connect to the Wi-Fi at home or at school. It's meant for a limited area, like one building. Now, what's really interesting here is how that one little box, your Wi-Fi router, connects so many devices. It connects your phone, your parents' phones, your laptop, letting everyone share the internet or even a single printer. It's the heart of your home network. Pay attention now. This is a very common question in the board exams. What is the difference between a PAN and a LAN? So let's break it down so you can write the perfect answer. You can take a screenshot of this slide for your revision notes. It clearly shows the key differences. The main things are range, PAN is tiny, just for you, while LAN covers a whole building, and speed. LAN is much faster. All right, so we've gone from your personal bubble to your home. Let's move on and see how this builds into even bigger networks that can cover entire cities and even countries. Think bigger now. This is the Metropolitan Area Network, or MAN. As the name says, it covers a whole city or town. It's not just one building anymore, but many buildings all across a city, all connected together. The best example to remember is your cable TV connection. You know, that one cable network brings TV channels to lakhs of homes all across your city. That's a great example of a metropolitan area network in action. And now for the biggest of them all, the network that connects the entire world. This is the Wide Area Network, or WAN. It connects computers, LANs, and MANs across different countries and continents. That's right, the internet itself is the world's biggest WAN. It connects you to servers and people all the way from Delhi to New York, connecting billions and billions of devices. It's absolutely massive. But wait, how does our computer's digital language, the zeros and ones, travel over something like old telephone lines, which are analog? Well, it's all because of a very special little device. And that device is called a modem. Remember the full form, children: modulator, demodulator. It's basically a translator. It translates the computer's language into a language the telephone lines can understand, and then back again. Look at this diagram. The modem takes the computer's zeros and ones and modulates them into a wave to travel. Then the modem on the other side demodulates that wave back into zeros and ones. Simple. And yep, your Wi-Fi router at home usually has a modem built right inside it. All right, that was a lot, but you did great. Let's do a super quick revision of everything we've learned to lock it in for your exam. Ready? Just remember this simple progression. PAN is your personal bubble, like Bluetooth. LAN is your local area, like your home Wi-Fi. MAN is your whole city, like the cable TV network. And WAN is the wide world, the internet. And the modem? It's the magic translator. Easy peasy. And there you have it. You have understood this perfectly, Beta. Go into your exam with confidence. You are absolutely prepared. Best of luck, and I will see you in the next video.